When should I set up my eSIM? Let's talk about the installation first. You can configure your Holafly eSIM a few hours before traveling. Set it up on your device so it's ready to use. We recommend doing this while connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network to ensure a seamless installation process. Now, about the activation itself. Activation is when your data plan starts working. You should activate your data plan only after you arrive at your destination. To activate it, go to your phone's network settings, turn on your Holafly eSIM, and enable data roaming. So remember, install your eSIM before you leave, activate your data plan when you arrive, and enjoy your connection without worries.